guys, I'm here today, but so I'm not recording next 2 weeks. Like, I'm not dead. I'm not dead. Alright, guys. Sorry, I'm not been recording. I'm just very busy, but ouch. I'm a finger. But guys, I got new things. So hello to the Roblox and reward. I don't know why guys look. The head won't come off, but when it comes with a golden head, put on. Like, why Roblox? You add a head. New head. Look the brain, but I really like this. It's pretty cool. And this too as well. Hey, I already redeemed the code, but I'm just gonna show you guys. Like, if you guys will try it first, yeah, and then second, yeah. So, yeah, guarantee you guys won't get it. But I'm out of Builders Club, so I can't get any more free Robux. I don't get it. It's been days. Oh my God, my thing started before. So what should I play? I don't know, but I hope you guys like my new Roblox avatar. I think it's pretty dope. So let's look in the catalog, see what they have today. But look, I have the same thing. Headless Horseman. Okay, that's cool. Oh yeah. That's that. But when I bought it, it was 22 days left, so yeah. Ow. Okay, dude. Sit right here. Sit right here. Okay, you can't sit down. Apparently. Roblox, dude. You can bend your backs. I make it look like a movie. Dude, you get me. But guys, the flipping Skull Trooper is back in Fortnite. Okay, I'm mad about it, but it's got it. Ow. Help me. Help me. Hang on. All featured items. Now we're going to search up 25 and 25. Yeah. Ooh, we got some 25. Goofball. We want some top tags like the Fortnite thing. We want something that 25 Robux. I can wear for my thing. This is cool. Oh, cat text. No problem with that. If you want to really try to actually for the stuff actually cost them 25 Robux. Yo, whoa, silver. Yo, whoa. Yo, whoa. Okay. But point of the video is I'm back. I'm not dead. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And, yeah, see you next time. Peace!